How we doing, everybody? Another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. I just posted my video for the 250th anniversary, and I discussed being 15 years old in 1976. Well, I turned 15 in 1975, and I would not turn 16 until September of 1976. So the 15-year-old me is the same age as this knife. Well, let me rephrase that. This knife is made in 1975. It's a 5-dot. So this year was made when I was 15 years old. And I just happened to pull this out and, go to clean it up. And when I saw the date on there, it was kind of a coincidence. I was just talking about the 15-year-old me during the bicentennial, and I just cleaned up this little case peanut. We'll pause it here. Okay, I paused it so I could open up both of the blades. This little knife cleaned up pretty nice, considering its age, 1975. It's in great condition. Blades are not worn. They may have been sharpened a time or two, but no, not serious. There's no serious damage there. If I get the camera to focus. There we go. It's a sweet little knife. I don't remember where I picked it up. It was in the bottom of a box, and I was going through to find my next cleanup project, and here it is. I'm going to be cleaning up this little beauty next. It's kind of hard to see. It's a Camillus. And very pocket worn. Black synthetic, almost like a rough black. Come on, focus. There we go. This is going to be my next little cleanup. But I thought it was kind of neat. 1975 case peanut. There's a little something to go on the shelf. Till I see y'all again. Have a beautiful day. All right, hold up now. This is just way too much of coincidence going on here. I just said I was going to clean this little knife up next, which I did, and it's nice carbon steel. Left the patina on there. I don't want to polish it out to a mirror finish or anything like that. Still good snap. It's a little mini stockman type knife. Got the pen blade, the main blade, and the little spay blade here. Good snap still. Shined up nice and neat. But the date on this little Camillus knife is 1960 to 1976. Born in 1960. 1976 was the bicentennial. And it's just a wild coincidence that this was the next knife that I cleaned up right after this little case peanut I just showed. It was just kind of wild how that worked out. But there's the between 1960, year I was born, and 1976 was the tank stamp for this. I'll post it over here. But I just thought that was kind of neat coincidence. This is a gorgeous little knife. I mean, pocket worn. It's been sharpened, but not drastically. I mean, it's still fairly close to the original blade. That long pole is really neat. Nice little pocket dropper, nice little user. So there you go. Coincidence number 2 on this day, the day after the 250th anniversary. Pretty sweet little knife. 1960 to 1976. There you go. Have a beautiful day.